Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to explain you one of the major important concept in Flutter, that is provider. So, what is the provider? Why we are using this provider? I will explain you complete information about this one. Don't skip the video. Please try to watch entire video. So, comes to the provider. Uh, in Flutter, we are having one concept, state management. Okay. So, if we want to integrate the state management concept in Flutter, we have to use the provider. Otherwise, we are unable to integrate the state management concept in Flutter. For that purpose, we are using this provider thing. So let's write the code how to implement the provider. Multi-provider. Okay, inside that you have to take array. First of all, you have to initialize the provider in main dom. So I'm creating one provider class for that. Okay, this is a sample provider class sample provider. Okay, so this is the normal class. So how to convert this class into provider class? Just you have to add extends with change notifier. Now this class will become provider class. Take one more variable here. Username Abdul Hussain. Take initially this name will be having that variable. After that I am taking one more function. Update widget. That require string username. After that this dot username notify listeners. This function is needed. Notify listeners. So what we have done? Just taken the normal class sample provider. After that, we are extends change notifier. Then this class will become the provider. So inside the provider, we are taking one variable username Makal Hussain Beg. Then after I taken one more function update widget. Inside that in parameter, I am passing the username string username. After that, I am assigning that username to main variable username. After that, I am notifying the listeners. Okay. So these notify listeners, what it will do means, uh, so wherever we are using this provider, it means wherever we are using the provider to fetch the data and display in our UI. Okay. For example, in my case, if you see this widget, provider widget. So if you see here, so this is the container. Okay. Inside the container, I am having the text. Here I am adding the name. Okay, so I want to update the data here from the provider. So what I will do, just to grab this, grab the widget with consumer. After that, so after that you have to take sample provider. Now here we are having builder function context comma data means you provider otherwise put data widget child is correct. Now return this one. So this is the consumer. Okay. So if you see here, this is the consumer. So this is the provider. So here we are using the notify listeners. So without using this notify listeners, this particular consumer will not call. It means inside the this consumer will not call, and also this container widget will not update the data with a new value. So for that purpose, we are using the notify listeners. So after that, I have to initialize this one in main.file provider into notifier provider. After that, you will add sample provider. Then after create contacts sample provider. Okay, done. The initialization is done. We have to do like this. So after that, here in this class provider widget class, here also we need to initialize the that provider one sample provider sample provider provider.of context comma listen false. So here you will pass sample provider. So here what you will do, sample provider equal to sample provider dot update widget. So whenever user click on this, if you see here in my screen, whenever user click on change name, I want to refresh this ID with a name. Okay. So in that case, what I will do, sample provider dot update widget with username Sai Kumar Junnadula. Junnadula. Okay. So this is done. So whenever user click on that particular button, the Sai Kumar Junnadula will be inserted into the provider. After that, this consumer will call. This consumer will call. So inside the consumer, we are having the data. So from the data, we are getting the username. Data dot username. This one called. Okay. I am running this code. Okay. I think here we need to pass child material. Yeah. After that, home. Home. Here provider widget. Here we will add contacts. Now run and check. So if you see here, Mughal Hussain Bey, this name is coming. So when I click on this change name, I want to refresh with Sai Kumar Jonnadra. See here, I clicked this one change name. Sai Kumar Jonnadra is updated. So if you see here, this page is called one time. When I click on this, that time this print is called. If you see now, this one called. Only this one, not complete page. Not complete page is not called. So whatever widget we have to update and we have to update. In that case, we are using this one. So remaining widgets will not update. It means those widgets will not rebuild. So for that purpose, we are using the provider and we are using the state management. That is the main reason. So this is the provider concept. If you have any doubts, ask me. I'll add the comments below. I will reply you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and give a like and support me. Thank you.